This is basically a program, which is calling a lot of entrepreneurs, small and medium enterprises, and also the other entrepreneurs who are there, not only Hyderabad but also different parts of the country. And this congregation is basically to sensitize which sectors are booming in to do the business in Thailand. The government officials who have come down from all the way from Thailand are giving us a lot of exposure and also the information in terms of what exactly the business can be done, how it can be done, what are the costs, what are the kind of incentives and subsidies when a company can also set up. Once a company sets up, what kind of benefit it's going to have. So on these topics they are going to discuss a lot. It's already been discussed. They also shown a video which is talking about once in a lifetime experience of Thailand, which is, I think, fantastic. I think everyone who is an entrepreneur, who is a businessman, who even started recently, I strongly recommend them to invest, to have one more subsidiary in Bangkok or in Thailand, which is actually going to reap them a lot of benefits, not only in them but also to them. And it's very easy to do that. I think even before I attended this seminar, we were under the impression that doing a business in Thailand is very, very difficult. But now that we know, there are a lot of doors which are being opened, whether to get a visa facility or in terms of their accommodation or facilities and everything, it's very, very easy. So I think this is the best opportunity for all the SMEs and people like me to set up their businesses and benefit from there. That is most important.